Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're in downtown Montreal, and today we're headed to Quebec City. We're going to one of the train stations to go to Montreal. I don't know which one, but let's head over to Quebec. As you can see, it's snowing outside right now. Today we'll be taking Via Rail, which is a rail company in Canada. Alright, just found out we're here at Central Station, Montreal, to head over to Quebec City on Via Rail. Let's head in there now. Welcome to Central Station, Montreal. As you can see, there are many shops and restaurants in this station. Alright, so while we waited to board, we saw McDonald's. So we stopped at McDonald's, and they have donuts. I'm gonna try it now. I don't have high expectations, but let's see if it's good. Alright, it's actually surprising. It was really good. The frosting is a good touch. Alright, right out here's our train. We're in car 4 today. This is the galley right here, where all the train attendants, I guess we would call them. Today we're in seat 15A. Alright, this is our seat. It's a leather seat back. Nice windows. You can see there's some water because there was snow this morning. And the legroom on this train is amazing. I'm 5'3", so this is amazing. I could probably lay down and be comfortable. To open the tray table, you just have to push this button. But this is our tray table, nice and clean. So far, so good, Via Rail. There's also a curtain, in case you wanted to get some sleep. Just 1 minute late. We are out of Montreal. It's very snowy in Montreal today. This is my first time ever on a train or ever making a train report, so please tell me how I did in the comments. Based on all the footage you just saw, you might think we went through a lot of places already. Well, no. We're barely even out of Montreal yet. Let's see. We're near Drummondville, Canada, which is, I would probably say 60 miles out of Montreal, so not that far yet.